Hey, this is Ty at Midway. I'm bringing you our new floor plan for 2025 with Keystone Cougar. Keystone Cougar is the #1 selling in its category in the country. That's all brands, all models, everything. Keystone Cougar leads the pack. The nice thing about this unit, it's a 4-season package. So you've got the fully enclosed and heated underbelly. You've also got additional options on this that are going to make it super safe for you and your family. You got anti-locking brakes that have been added to this coach now for 2025. Tire pressure sensor monitors that are just up in this front compartment here. They've also increased the size of this compartment so you can see how much higher this compartment is right here. You get 2 awnings on this coach as well. So you've not only got the one over the door, so if it's raining, windy, or anything like that, you're covering your entryway. You've also got your entertainment space as well. And there is lights on both of these. So this camper is a 29RLP. So what that is you're 29 feet on your body, you're 33 feet total, end to end. So if you're looking for something in that, that's a pretty standard length for something that's gonna give you as much storage and water capacity and options that this one's gonna have for you. Let me take you around the back real quick. So other options that this one's gonna have is obviously your spare tire, but you're also gonna have this storage rack capacity here. So you got 200 pounds of capacity. You can put a storage rack on there, carry a generator or anything like that. The other nice thing about this is you're prepped for backup camera. So if you're not comfortable with backing one of these up of the size that this is, you do have the option to add a backup camera to this coach. Something else that's on the roof, and that's a nice feature for our Keystone Cougar product, is solar package. So you do have an inverter on this. You got a 30 amp solar controller, but you've got 2 220 watt solar panels on the roof. What that does for you is, 1, it's going to keep your batteries charged, and 2, with that inverter, you're going to have up to 7 outlets on the inside that are going to be able to run toasters, hair dryers, and things like that for you. Let's take a look at the inside. So coming into this camper, you can see it has an island. Typically what you're going to find when you have a camper with an island is opposing slides. That's where you get your island feature. You've got nice counter space in here, but you've opened this up, so you've got tons and tons of space here. You can have a couple of people over here cooking, cleaning, doing whatever, and you can also have some entertaining space where people can be here playing cards, eating dinner, sitting, watching TV. Something else that they've added in this coach, again, this is a brand new floor plan for 2025, is additional pantry storage. Is additional pantry storage. At least we know that's not going to come open going down the road. You've got pantry storage there, and a lot of people complain about where their broom or their mop or things like that's going to be. They've created space for that as well. So remember when I spoke to you about the inverter prep, so up to 7 outlets. What you're going to see in these coaches is, let me turn that light on, is this outlet right here. It's going to have inverted outlets. So any of those that are on this coach, the Cougar coaches, those outlets are going to be able to work off the inverter and off the solar. So you won't need to run your generator at all. The nice thing is your TV is going to be doing that as well. So in any of those campers that you've had in the past, where you've had to turn your generator on to kick a movie on, you don't need to do that with this camper anymore. Nice beautiful fireplace. You can do ambiance, or this actually pumps out some heat, takes the chill out of the air, which is super, super convenient. For those not looking to go with bunk beds, this turns into a bed, and let me show you how that happens really, really quickly. 2 cushions come off. They've made it a lot simpler and a lot more convenient. Out it comes, the back drops down, and that's your bed. And then in the morning, you drop it back down like that, and you've got a couch. So if you're not wanting something that's got a designated bed, or maybe you want to take the grandkids, you've got plenty of space here to take the grandkids as well. The other nice thing about the Keystone Cougar, and why I believe it's the #1 in its category, is from the solar panels to the cold weather package, on-demand hot water heater, tons and tons of storage. They're always changing the name of the game. You got a 12-volt refrigerator, so that thing is going to be cold right now, right off the bat, through your solar system. but you also get this. King size bed. So in our Cougar brands, they've thought about it. They've talked to a lot of consumers, a lot of customers, and a lot of dealers that sell this product. They've gone with a king size bed. So anyone that's big like me, you're gonna love this option. You're not gonna feel claustrophobic. You're not gonna feel like you can't roll around in the middle of the night. The other nice thing is they've put plenty of windows in here to make this this space a lot bigger. We've got the blinds down right now, but you've got a front windshield and 2 windows on either side. Plus, including these storage options that they've given you here, they've given you more storage right here and drawers. So those people that want to take a little bit extra clothing, you've got that as well. Let's check out the bathroom. So the bathroom is nice and convenient. If you ever had one of those campers that has the door that swings open, you've got to walk past, open, close the door. This one's a sliding pocket door, which is super nice. Get a nice tall shower in there. Multi-function head on that shower. And then you've got the skylight in there. So anyone that's taller in stature, bigger in size, you're going to be able to fit in there very, very conveniently. And then you've got a nice wash basin here with a huge mirror. And then a medicine cabinet built in behind it. This is probably one of the biggest mirrors I've seen in a bathroom of this size, that's for sure. So if you're looking for a unit like this, you want something that's got tons and tons of pantry space, from pantry here, pantry there, storage underneath, cold weather package, extra sleeping, king size bed, solar. Have I said enough? Come down and see me. You can get this one for roughly around $400 a month. Depending on if you're going to trade something in, put some cash down, but $400 a month is a good payment for approved credit. Come down and see me. My name's Ty. I'm here at the Cody location. That's where this camper is stored and stocked. We'll help you out.